Hi, I'm Gracie and today I'm reporting for BAFTA Kids at Angels Costumes, who have been supplying outfits for film and TV since the 1840s. So I think it's time we should go and try on some outfits and have a tour of the place. So let's go. Can you tell us a little bit about how the business started up?
The business started back in 1840 when I could list all the greats, but 5 greats grandfather, who is that gent just over there with the snazzy sideburns, when he set up the business. So we started as a tailor in 1840 with our own business, and we went from there, from a barrow in Covent Garden to what you see inside.
Hi, and what is your name?
My name's Angela. It's nice to meet you.
Hi Angela, yeah, you too. And what are your job titles here at Angels?
I've got a couple of job titles. So first off, I'm renovations coordinator. So it means I fix things. When they've been on set and they are broken or damaged,
Yeah.
I get to sew them and fix them.
I bet that happens quite a lot.
It happens quite a lot, yeah, for sure. And then I'm also a tour guide, which is what I'm doing with you today.
Yes, yeah.
To start off with, we're here in the exhibition space. So here we've got some costumes. We've got some lovely ones here. So this is worn by Renée Zellweger in a movie called Judy.
Oh wow!
My name's Julian Day and I'm a costume designer. I used to work for Angels. This was about 30 years ago. So they were based in Shaftesbury Avenue and I worked as a costumier here. And then I left and started designing my own films, and now I come back and use their costumes.
And then other costumes, they've come from our hire department, which we're going to go into next door.
Oh, okay.
And so we've got different ones. We've got ones here from Little Women. We've got ones from different Copperfields as well. Lots of different dresses. So we're putting together whole outfits.
Yeah.
My costumiers work on the shows, and if there's a problem with that particular show, I'll go and talk to the designers and find out what we can do to try and sort the issue out with the costumes. And if there is a major problem, I'll go and talk to Jeremy or the other production directors and come up with an idea to achieve what the customers want.
I'm Louise and I work here as a senior costumier. I've been here for almost 10 years now.
It's a long time.
So quite a long time, yeah.
Do you get a chance to meet any of the actors once you've made the costumes and things like that?
Yeah, we do fittings here. I've met a few different people over the years. I'd say probably my favourite 2 people I've ever fitted were Helena Bonham Carter and Olivia Colman, who weirdly then played sisters in The Crown, but I met them on 2 completely separate jobs. They were both the loveliest people I've ever met.
So welcome to the warehouse. It's pretty big already, hey. So this is uniforms. We're looking to provide for any of the forces, with the Navy, the Army, the Air Force, from any country around the world. And then ticket collectors, bus drivers, that kind of thing.
Yeah. There's so much here.
Can you imagine trying to find something?
No, I couldn't really.
So I'm going to get you to have a look through here.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. How cool.
Oh my god. Look how much there is here.
If you took the rails and put them all at ground level, we've got between 9.5 and 10.5 miles of costumes. So many.
So roughly, how many accessories and outfits do you have here?
I think the total is roughly 1 million hanging items and 1 million boxed items, although that's always growing when we buy other collections or make new costumes.
So day to day, do you literally just plan many different outfits and all different things like that?
Well, it all starts with a script. They give you a script and you read the script and you sort of break down all the characters. And let's say you take your leading actor and you break the script down into what they're doing in the film, and then you talk to the director and find out what they want, and then you start designing the costumes.
Indiana Jones? Yes, easy to tell, so cool.
At times when you look at a costume, you might know what it should look like, but then there's also knowing what you can cheat.
This is really heavy, so I'm going to hold it with you. So this is real chainmail.
Oh.
Super heavy. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
And so this piece, actually, it's just the body part. It's not the whole thing. So he would have had like legs and the arms as well.
Oh my goodness.
But we like to sort of cheat in costume a little bit, so it looks real, but it's not as heavy.
Yeah.
So we've got something here called string mail.
So it's not as heavy, yeah.
Do you want to have a feel? So that's
a lot more softer as well.
Yeah, much more soft.
Yeah. Still got that sort of effect though, like the shiny effect.
Yeah, because it's got like some colour on it, some spray paint.
Yeah.
It's made a bit dirty, a bit grubby. This is made of fiberglass. It's funny, hey?
Yeah.
Do you want to try it on?
Okay. Look at me, guys.
My title is Fancy Dress Director, so I'm all things party and fancy dress related. So if you're going to a party, I'm your girl. So it's a retail side, so it's very, very different from here. However, when we do have parties and people want to hire costume, the costume is the same as here.
Try something like this.
Okay,
Which
yeah.
is very much a statement outfit. Or we've got something a bit more like this, which is a bit kind of like Anne with an E, Railway Children type thing. Should we go for the bigger?
Yeah, a bit more.
We'll go for the statement piece.
Okay.
Cool, okay.
This dress feels amazing.
As we were saying when we were getting dressed, it's loads of layers. You definitely need somebody to give you a hand. Lots and lots of bits. But they're all quite light.
Yeah.
So you don't feel like you're weighed down.
No, definitely.
Running around.
It's just very
pretty.
luxurious. Yeah.
Very queenly.
And you've also got, look, there's lovely hats here too. So
yeah, we'll pop
if you wanted
that
to.
on. There we go. Got your ribbons.
So I think now I've got to get back into my own clothes so that I can finish the tour of this amazing place, because I bet there's a lot more to discover. So you get little visitors every now and then too.
So the family bring their dogs in. We're very dog friendly, so they're kind of like residents, I guess. They come every day to work with their owners. It's really cool.
So cute. Can you tell us if you've got any costumes that are being made currently for any new TV shows or films?
We can say yes, we do, but we can't tell you what any of them are called.
Thank you so much for touring me around this amazing place. I've really enjoyed spending time with you as well and seeing all the wonderful outfits and jewellery and masks. It's been incredible.
Oh, you're welcome. It's lovely meeting you. It's
You
been
too.
so much fun showing you all the different things. Really
Thank
nice.
you.
You're welcome.
That's me, Gracie, reporting for BAFTA Kids, and now I've got to try and find my way out of this maze of clothes, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!